Today is April Fool's Day, but what I'm about to share is no joke. The Texas Division of Emergency Management has announced a statewide test of public alert and warning systems scheduled for tomorrow, April the 2nd. This coordinated drill will help evaluate how effectively these systems function to keep our residents informed during emergencies. Regular testing is essential. It builds readiness, strengthens coordination, and ensures these tools work with speed and accuracy when they matter most. Here in McAllen, we are proud to take part alongside communities across Texas. This effort supports our shared commitment to public safety and preparedness. We do encourage everyone to take a moment to make sure emergency alerts are enabled on your phone, because when it comes to safety, preparation is everything.